Welcome to Fresh Thinking School of Brain Science, where we inspire and equip leaders with timeless wisdom to lead with inspiring purpose and make a difference globally. What are the brain's sexual selection and mating strategies? The brain, a labyrinth of whispers and primal edges, is the crucible of desire. It is not just the seat of intellect. It is the architect of attraction, the maestro of mating strategies. Over millennia, the relentless dance of sexual selection has etched its mark on the brain's intricate circuitry, sculpting our notions of beauty, guiding our choices of partners, and painting the fabric tapestry of courtship across the animal world. But the brain is not static. It is a chameleon, ever shifting, ever learning. With each encounter, each touch, each whisper of passion, it adapts and refines its repertoire of love and desire. In this dynamic interplay between biology and experience, the brain orchestrates the symphony of its life's most intimate dance, the intricate dance of sexual selection and mating strategies has captivated the minds of scientists and layperson alike for centuries. At the heart of this captivating ballet lies the brain, a complex organ that orchestrates the symphony of attraction, courtship, and reproduction. Understanding the role of the brain in these processes unveils a fascinating interplay between evolution, neurobiology, and behavior. Sexual selection, a driving force of evolution, has sculpted the elaborate traits and behaviors we observe in the animal kingdom. From the vibrant plumage of peacocks to the intricate mating rituals of bower birds, the brain acts as the control center dictating the expression and perception of these alluring displays. Yet, the brain's role extends far beyond mere aesthetics. It governs the intricate neural circuits that assess potential mates, weigh the costs and benefits of different strategies, and ultimately decide with whom to reproduce. Mating strategies themselves are diverse and multifaceted, ranging from monogamous partnerships to promiscuous flings. The brain plays a pivotal role in shaping these strategies, which are influenced by factors such as environmental conditions, social dynamics, and individual experiences. Neurotransmitters and hormones surge and ebb, shaping desires and preferences, while intricate neural networks evaluate potential partners based on genetic compatibility, resource availability, and social standing. This exploration into the brain's role in sexual selection and mating strategies promises to shed light on the fundamental mechanisms that drive the perpetuation of life itself. By delving into the neural underpinnings of attraction, courtship, and mate choice, we gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate dance that has shaped the course of evolution and continues to influence the tapestry of life on Earth. There are 7 strategies for the brain in selection and mating. Neurobiological foundations of attraction. The neurobiological foundations of attraction delve into the intricate neural and chemical processes that ignite and sustain feelings of attraction between individuals. This field investigates the critical brain regions involved, such as the hypothalamus, which is responsible for regulating basic drives, and the amygdala, which is crucial for processing emotions. In addition, it explores the roles of neurotransmitters like dopamine, which is associated with pleasure and reward, and oxytocin, which is linked to bonding and trust. By examining the interplay of these brain regions, neurochemicals, and hormones, researchers seek to understand the fundamental biological mechanisms that underlie the initial spark of attraction, the formation of emotional bonds, and the maintenance of long-term relationships. Embark on a journey into the depths of the brain to uncover the intricate neural mechanisms that ignite the spark of attraction and foster a formation of lasting pair bonds. Explore the critical brain regions implicated in these processes, such as the hypothalamus, a region known for regulating basic drives and emotions, and the amygdala, a hub for processing emotional responses. Investigate how these regions interact and communicate to create a complex symphony of attraction-related feelings and behaviors. Delve into the neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that transmit signals throughout the brain. Focus on dopamine, a neurotransmitter often associated with pleasure and reward, and oxytocin, often referred to as the love hormone, due to its role in bonding and trust. Examine how fluctuations in these neurotransmitters influence our perception of attractiveness and our desire to form intimate connections. By peering into this intricate neural landscape, we can unravel the complex processes that drive us to seek out and form bonds with others. Understanding these mechanisms can shed light on the biological foundations of love, attraction, and enduring power of human connection. Neurobiological hormonal influences on the mate choice. It explores how fluctuations in sex hormones, such as testosterone and estrogen, impact an individual's preferences for specific traits and behaviors in potential partners. This field investigates how hormonal variations across the menstrual cycle or lifespan can alter perceptions of attractiveness, leading to shifts in mate choice. It also examines the intricate interplay between hormones and the brain, particularly in regions associated with reward, emotion, and social behavior. To understand how these chemicals influence attraction and partner selection, By unraveling these hormonal effects, researchers aim to gain insights into the biological basis of mate preferences and their evolutionary significance in shaping reproductive success. Delve into the captivating interplay between sex hormones and the intricate preferences that guide our choices in potential mates. Explore how these potent chemical messengers, such as testosterone and estrogen, sculpt our desires and shape our perceptions and attractiveness in the complex dance of courtship and reproduction. Investigate the role of testosterone, a hormone often associated with masculinity, in influencing preferences for specific physical traits in potential mates. Does elevated testosterone in individuals correlate with a stronger attraction to partners exhibiting traits traditionally considered desirable, such as facial symmetry and masculinity? Explore how estrogen, a hormone central to female reproductive function, influences attraction and mate choice. Do fluctuations in estrogen levels throughout the menstrual cycle lead to shifts in preferences for specific traits or behaviors in potential partners? Examine the potential evolutionary significance of these hormonal influences. Are these preferences rooted in deep-seated biological mechanisms that have evolved to maximize reproductive success, or do cultural and societal factors shape them? By unraveling the complex relationship between sex hormones and mate preferences, we can gain a deeper understanding of the biological underpinnings of attraction and the intricate dance that leads to the formation of successful partnerships. Neurobiological mechanisms of mate assessment explores the intricate neural processes that underpin how individuals evaluate potential partners. This field investigates how the brain assesses factors like genetic compatibility, resource potential, and social status in potential mates. It delves into the roles of specific brain regions, such as the prefrontal cortex, involved in decision-making and social cognition, and the limbic system, associated with emotions and rewards. Researchers examine how these areas interact with sensory input, memory, and learning to form judgments about a partner's suitability. By understanding the neurobiological mechanisms behind mate assessment, scientists aim to shed light on the complex interplay between biology, evolution, and social factors that shape our choices in love and relationships. Embark on a journey into the intricate workings of the brain as it navigates the complex landscape of mate selection. Delve into the neural mechanisms that underlie the evaluation of potential partners based on various factors, including genetic compatibility, resource potential, and social status. Investigate how the brain assesses genetic compatibility, a crucial factor in ensuring the health and viability of offsprings. Explore whether specific neural pathways are activated when individuals encounter potential mates with complementary genetic profiles, potentially signaling a higher likelihood of successful reproduction. Examine the role of the brain in evaluating resource potential, a key consideration in many species where access to resources can significantly impact survival and reproductive success. Analyze how the brain might weigh factors such as access to food, territory, or social support when assessing the desirability of a potential mate. Delve into the neural processes in evaluating social status, a factor influencing access to resources, protection, and social opportunities. Explore whether certain brain regions are more active when individuals encounter potential mates with high social standing. This could potentially reflect and involve preference for partners who can enhance reproductive success. By unraveling these complex neural mechanisms, we can better understand the multifaceted factors shaping our love and partnership choices. Neurobiological brain plasticity and mating experience investigates how the brain structure and function change in response to mating interactions and experiences. This field explores how courtship, copulation, and parental care modify neural reward, memory, and social bonding pathways. It examines how these changes influence future mating preferences, partner choice, and overall reproductive behavior. Researchers also delve into how the brain adapts to different mating strategies, such as monogamy or polygamy, and how these experiences shape neural circuitry. By understanding the brain's plasticity in the context of mating, scientists can gain insights into the dynamic interplay between biology, experience, and the evolution of reproductive behavior. Embark on a journey to explore the brain's remarkable ability to adapt and transform in response to the complex tapestry of mating experiences. Investigate the neural plasticity underlining enduring memories associated with courtship. This exploration has illuminated the profound pair bonding. Delve into the specific brain regions and pathways that change mating encounters. Examine how the hippocampus, a key player in memory consolidation, might encode and store memories of successful or unsuccessful mating attempts, potentially shaping future behaviors and choices. Analyze how the reward system involving dopamine release might reinforce positive mating experiences, forming solid preferences for certain partners or behaviors. Investigate whether negative experiences trigger changes in the brain's aversion circuitry, potentially altering future mate choices. Explore the fascinating phenomenon of shifts and preferences following mating. Do individuals exhibit changes in their attraction to particular traits or behaviors after experiencing specific mating encounters? Does the brain's plasticity allow for adjustments in mate preferences based on the outcome of past experiences? By solving how the brain responds and adapts to mating experiences, we can gain valuable insights into the dynamic interplay between biology, memory, and the ever-evolving nature of attraction and mate choice. Evolutionary perspectives on brain and mating. Evolutionary perspectives on brain and mating explores how the forces of nature and sexual selection have shaped the evolution of the brain, particularly mating strategies and behaviors. This field investigates how specific brain structures, functions, and cognitive abilities have evolved to facilitate successful reproduction. It examines how evolutionary pressures influence potential mates' preferences for certain physical traits, cognitive skills, or social behaviors. Researchers have also explored how mate selection and competition changes have honed the brain's capacity for learning, memory, and decision-making. By understanding the evolutionary context of brain development about mating, scientists can gain insights into the origins of our complex reproductive behaviors and the factors that continue to shape human attraction and relationships today. Embark on an exploration of the fascinating interplay between evolution, sexual selection, and brain development. Investigate how the relentless pressures of mate competition and choice have sculpted the intricate neural architecture that underlie our cognitive abilities and mating behaviors. Delve into the concept of sexual selection, the process through which certain traits become more prevalent in a population due to their advantage in attracting mates or competing for reproductive opportunities. Examine how this powerful force has acted upon the brain throughout evolutionary history, favoring individuals with enhanced cognitive skills and behavioral adaptations that enhance their chances of securing a mate. Analyze specific cognitive adaptations that may have evolved in response to sexual selection pressures. Could highlighted special reasoning abilities, enhanced memory, or sophisticated communication skills have emerged as adventurous and advantageous traits in the competition for mates. Explore how these cognitive enhancements might have translated into more successful courtship, displays better mate assessment, or better parenting strategies. Investigate individual adaptations that might have been shaped by sexual selection. Could elaborate courtship rituals, complex vocalizations, or intricate display of physical prowess have evolved as mechanisms to attract and secure mates? Examine how these behaviors might have influenced the development of specific neural circuits and brain regions dedicated to mating-related activities. By tracing the brain's evolutionary trajectory into the context of sexual selection, we can gain a deeper understanding of the intricate relationship between our cognitive abilities, behaviors, and the fundamental drive to reproduce. Brain's role in diverse mating strategies. The brain's role in diverse mating strategies investigates the intricate relationship between neural mechanisms and the wide range of reproductive behaviors observed across species. This field explores how different mating strategies, such as monogamy, polygamy, and promiscuity, are reflected in brain structure, function, and neurochemistry. Brain researchers examine variations in brain regions associated with pair bonding, reward processing, and social behavior to understand how these variations correlate with distinct mating preferences. They also investigate the roles of hormones and neurotransmitters in shaping these strategies, examining how fluctuations in these chemicals can influence an individual's attraction to and choice of partners. By unraveling the neural underpinnings of diverse mating strategies, scientists gain insights into the complex interplay between biology, evolution, and individual variation in reproductive behavior. Uncover the intriguing relationship between mating strategies and the brain's intricate workings. By investigating how monogamy, polygamy, and promiscuity are reflected in brain structure and function, we can gain valuable insights into the neural mechanisms driving these behaviors. Explore differences in brain regions associated with pair bonding, reward, and social interaction across these strategies. Analyze variations and neural connections that distinguish individuals with different mating preferences. Examining the role of neurotransmitters and hormones will further illuminate the complex factors shaping reproductive choices and evolutionary forces behind diverse mating strategies. Investigate whether specific brain regions are associated with different mating strategies. For instance, are there variations in the size or activity of areas involved in pair bonding, reward processing, or social behavior among individuals exhibiting different mating preferences? Analyze how neural networks and connections might differ depending on whether an individual is inclined towards a committed partnership. Delve into the role of neurotransmitters and hormones in shaping mating strategies. Are there specific chemical messengers that influence the drive for monogamy or promiscuity? Do individuals with different mating preferences exhibit varying lessons of this neurochemical. By unraveling these connections between the brain and behavior, we can better understand the complex factors that shape reproductive choices and the evolutionary forces that have sculpted diverse mating strategies across species. Neurological disorders and mating behavior. Neurological disorders and mating behavior examines the impact of neurological conditions on various aspects of reproductive behavior, including attraction, courtship, mate choice, and sexual function. This field investigates how disruptions in brain structure or function caused by conditions like Parkinson's disease, multiple sclerosis, or traumatic brain injury can affect an individual's ability to initiate and maintain relationships, express sexual interest, and engage in sexual activity. It explores how these disorders may alter perceptions of attractiveness, impair social cognition, and disrupt the hormonal and neural pathways essential for sexual arousal and response. By understanding the complex interplay between neurological disorders and mating behavior, researchers aim to develop targeted interventions and support systems to address the unique challenges faced by individuals with these conditions in their pursuit of healthy and fulfilling relationships. Delve into how neurological conditions and injuries can reshape the landscape of mating behavior, attraction, and mate choice. Examining these effects will uncover valuable insights into the delicate interplay between the brain's intrinsic wiring and the complex world of sexual selection and mating strategies. Investigating these disruptions can offer a unique lens to understand the neural underpinnings of attraction, courtship, and partner selection. By studying how these conditions alter typical behavior patterns, we can better appreciate the specific brain regions and pathways that play a crucial role in these processes. Furthermore, this exploration can illuminate the brain's remarkable plasticity and the ability to adapt to adversity. Understanding how individuals with neurological conditions navigate the complexities of mating can inform our knowledge of neurobiology and our approach to supporting and empowering those affected by these conditions. Ultimately, this line of inquiry promises to enrich our understanding of the intricate relationship between brain health, behavior, and the fundamental drive to connect and reproduce. The role of the brain in sexual selection and mating strategies. In the grand theater of life, the brain takes center stage as the director of the sexual attraction and mating strategies. From the first flicker of interest to the intricate dance of selecting a partner, the brain's complex pathways and neurotransmitters choreograph a symphony of behaviors that have sculpted the trajectory of evolution. This neurological ballet begins with a spark ignited by specific brain regions and chemicals that trigger desire. Hormones sculpt our preferences, drawing us to certain traits and behaviors in potential mates. The brain, a master strategist, evaluates genetic compatibility, resource availability, and social standing while weighting each partnership's potential risks and rewards. But the brain's role doesn't end with mate selection. Its remarkable adaptability allows it to learn and evolve from each experience, forging memories and potentially shifting preferences over time. This intricate dance between biology and behavior highlights the brain's pivotal role in perpetuating life. Understanding this neural symphony provides a deeper appreciation for the complex forces that have shaped the diversity of life on Earth. This exploration has illuminated the profound influence of neurobiology on the myriad ways organizations seek and secure mates. We have witnessed how specific brain regions and neurotransmitters ignite the flames of desire while hormones sculpt our preferences for particular traits and behaviors in potential partners. We have delved into the neural mechanisms that assess genetic compatibility, resource potential, and social standing, ultimately guiding the crucial decision of with whom to reproduce. The brain's remarkable plasticity allows it to adapt and learn from mating experiences, forging lasting memories, and potentially shifting preferences over time. Moreover, the evolution of the brain itself has been inexorably intertwined with sexual selection, resulting in the development of cognitive and behavioral adaptations that enhance reproduction and reproductive success. As we have seen, the brain's role in mating is not a one-size-fits-all phenomenon. Diverse mating strategies, from monogamy to polygamy to promiscuity, are mirrored in the nuanced variations of brain structure and function across specific species and individuals. Even neurological disorders and injuries can reveal the intricate relationship between the brain and mating behavior. Therefore, in its intricate tapestry of neurons and synapses, the brain emerges as the conductor of life's most primal symphony. It is the stage upon which the drama of attraction, courtship, and procreation unfolds, where biology and behavior intertwine in an exquisite dance. Within its secret chambers, the brain whispers the ancient language of desire, guiding us through the intricate rituals of mating. As we unravel the mysteries of the brain's role in this timeless dance, we glimpse the profound forces that have shaped the diversity and complexity of life on Earth. Each spark of attraction, each subtle gesture of courtship is a testament to the brain's enduring legacy a legacy written in the very fabric of our being. This is Dr. Masasikani Mishakosa, Director of the Fresh Thinking School of Brain Science. We thank you for coming around. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel, which is free of charge, but we will unravel amazing opportunities for you. Thank you very much for coming through. Really appreciate that. Thank you.